Hey guys, this is Caleb at Wood Prairie. So a couple of weeks ago, Dad and I went over to Glassville, New Brunswick to look at this dirt eliminator that this farmer had for sale. He had been using it in the past, but had replaced it with some bigger equipment, some bigger dirt eliminators, and wasn't using it all that much. So he put it up for sale, seemed like a really good price, so we had to go over and take a look at it. Our last dirt eliminator more or less was just a lag belt that dropped onto a conveyor that had a box filler function where it could fill two boxes at a time. The conveyor would go left or right, fill either box. It worked okay. It didn't really work that good for what we wanted, so we saw this one for sale. Had to go look at it. So what a dirt eliminator does is it separates the potatoes from the dirt clods, dirt, and rocks. After the harvester goes through the field, dumps the potatoes into a potato truck. Potato truck will go back to the yard. There will be kind of a grading line there. The beginning of it is the dirt eliminator where the potato truck backs up to, as you're looking at it here, the potato truck back to the right side of this machine and dump onto that lag bed, that chain lag bed. It'll dump onto there and it'll dump the new just harvested potatoes right onto that lag bed. It'll carry up that lag bed, dropping some dirt out, some small rocks, mostly just dirt though. The clods will still carry up. It'll drop onto that next set of rollers. So they're rubber rollers with small rubber fingers on them. And all the material will drop onto that, and that'll separate most all of the dirt. It'll get some of the clods out, and it'll brush a little bit of the mud and dirt off the potatoes really gently. These are long rubber fingers, so they're super gentle, specific for potatoes straight out of the ground that aren't quite as set up, and the skins aren't quite set up and as firm as a potato that's been in storage. So this will come across that, and it'll drop onto either another conveyor, or in our case, we're going to drop straight into our pallet boxes that we store our potatoes in our cellar. So we're gonna have to alter this one just a little bit to make it work for our application. We think it's gonna be really good. We got a good deal on it. It was super close by. It was about 26 miles straight west of us. So here, Peter and I are loading it on the truck, strapping it down, and taking it home. Hook that in one of the pockets right behind the angle, the aluminum angle. Yeah.
Right there. Oh, yeah.
You just don't want to catch the. Okay. Beautiful. Get out of your hair.
Thank you. Is there anything else? Where's your place? I was over the Haynes the other day and you go skiing all the time.
Okay.
So when you cross, you go past Whited.
Potatoes. So follow along with the farm, and we'll show you how we use this dirt eliminator to fill 4-foot wooden pallet boxes with our organic seed potatoes this fall. Thanks for watching.